Hi everyone, it's Kino here. Thanks so much for joining me here in the Nordic paradise of Nusen in Norway. We're gonna get started with a yoga for strength class, so I hope you're ready to feel a little fire. Let's get started. Come to a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes. Hands gently come into prayer position. Long deep breath in. As you exhale, rest your hands down to any comfortable position. Be aware of the quality of your breath. Notice your breath. Be aware of the quality of your mind and your emotions. And gently tune in to the feeling in the body. How does your body feel? Establishing a few moments of mindfulness to begin our journey together. Then a nice long deep inhale, and as you exhale, let's open the eyes. We're gonna pop on over onto the hands and knees, and after you find your way into your hands and knees, let's start off by stabilizing your shoulders. All right, so stabilize the shoulders by engaging the muscles around your rotator cuff and inside your armpits. So it might not feel intuitive for you to squeeze inside the armpits, but right there in the armpits, give a little squeeze. And draw the navel in, the knees together, and let's hold it for 5 breaths. 1. Start to pitch your shoulders a little bit forward. 2. Nice and easy. 3. Almost there. 4. And 5. Now we're going to retract and protract the shoulders, all right? So keep the torso really knit together. Then retract, move down and little forward, protract, back and away. Retract, down and little forward, protract, back and away. Retract, down and little forward, protract, back and away. Give me 3 more. Down and little forward. Squeeze the glutes as you come back and away. Down and little forward. Pull the ribs in and back and away. Last one. Down and little forward and back and away. All right, let's shake it out for a moment. Open your knees and a nice, easy, wide child's pose. You can leave your hands in place, and this will give you a little stretch through the shoulders. Long, deep breath in. Long, deep breath out. Then inhale, gently come up as you walk the hands back. Now we're going to stretch the wrists out. So turn your palms outward, or your hands opposite way, so the fingers point towards yourself. Then gently root down through the heels of the hands, and we'll hold that for 5. And you can kind of pedal out the hands a little bit to make sure that the wrists are warmed up. All right, so stay for a few more breaths, and then press down. Hold it there. Let's try to draw the navel in. Almost there. All right, lean back, give your wrists a little bit of a shake. Good. Now we're ready for plank pose. So easy does it. Grip your fingertips. Make sure your tailbone's nice and tucked under. And then step one leg back, tuck it under, other leg back. That's good. All right, we got 5 breaths here. 1. Hold your plank. 2. Press the shoulders a little forward. 3. Almost there. 4 and 5. Let's sink the knees down. And now we're going to do toe point plank. So point the feet, pitch the shoulders a little forward, rotate the tailbone under, and then toes point as you come up. Looking good. 1, tuck the tail. 2, root down through the knuckles of the index fingers. 3, 4, almost there. 5, curl the toes back, regular plank. Chaturanga, exhale, go down. Inhale, upward facing, long deep breath in, exhale, downward facing. Let's stay downward facing for 5 breaths. 1, nice and easy. 2, 3, enjoy the moment. 4, 5. Alrighty, let's walk the feet in, cross the shin bones, and exhale. Let's come on down. Come on down to seated. Now, from here, take a moment, point the feet out in front of you, drawing the knees a little bit in towards each other. And we have our easy version of Navasana. So the most accessible kind of version, maybe there's more accessible versions. This is kind of where we're going to start today. 1, stay with it, deep breaths. 2, navel is in, tighten your core a little bit, squeeze your glutes. 4, almost there. All right, let's row Navasana. Exhale, row it down. Try to get your lower back on the ground and hold it. 1, draw the navel in. 2, stay with it. 3, 4, inhale, come up. Cross your feet, take the hands on the ground, then move the shoulders forward. Let's lift the hips, back and up. Exhale, set it down. Again, your feet off the ground this time. 1, if you're ready. If not, you keep the feet still touching the ground. 2, squeeze the glutes a little. 3, almost there. 4, and now row it down. 1, stay with it. 2, 3, almost there. Really curl it under. 4, and inhale, come up, cross your feet. This time maybe the feet stay off the ground as you pick it up. Exhale, set it down. Navasana, maybe with the straight legs. 1, maybe not, it's okay. Let your body decide. 2, enjoy the moment, this beautiful moment. 3, keep working. 4, let's row the Navasana. Exhale, lower down to hollow body. Squeeze the glutes, belly in. 1, 2, stay with it. 3, squeeze the glutes, lower belly in and tight. 4, how you doing? 5, inhale, come up, cross. Inhale, let's pick it up. Exhale, down. Hide your feet underneath you and let's step on back, find your plank. Now, from plank position, we're going to repeat what we started off with, which is retraction and protraction of the shoulders. Exhale, dip down and forward. Protract, back and away. Exhale, down and little forward, back and away. Exhale, down and little forward, back and away. Down and little forward, back and away. 3 more. Down and little forward, back and away. 2 more. Down and little forward, back and away. Last one. Down and little forward, back and away. And chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. Cross your feet. Sit down. Take your hands back behind you. And now let's do a little bit of extra movements, all right? So these little extra movements are kind of like Navasana curls. So you take the hands back behind you, make sure your back has support, and just enjoy the moment, get cozy with your body. Here we go. Pull the knees into your chest. Then you really try to really curl in, tucking the tail all the way back to hollow body. Squeeze it in, hollow body. Squeeze it in, squeeze the glutes, hollow body. In, hollow body. In, hollow body. 4 more. In, hollow body. In, hollow body. In, hollow body. In, hollow body. 3 more. In, hollow body. In, hollow body. In, hollow body. Hold it in. Hold it in. Hollow body. Hold it. Hold it. Exhale. Lie down. Scoot a little forward. We're not done yet, okay? But I want you to scoot a little forward. Point your feet. Lift your right leg up. All right. Hold it there for a moment. Prepare. All right, you ready? Here we go. Inhale, let's pick it up and hold. Tuck your head in. 1. If you need to bend your knee, bend the knee, and you can do the same thing. 2, 3. Try to use less arms, more core. 4, so the arms are just draped around. 5, switch. Exhale, hold. 1, 2, 3. Less arms, more body. 4, and switch. 1, 2, 3. How you doing? 4, and switch. 1, 2. Stay with it. 3, 4, and switch. Last set. 1. If you want to lift your left leg off the ground for a little extra turbo boost, you can try it. 4, 5, and switch. 1. Keep the right leg off the ground for a little extra turbo boost. 3, 4. Inhale, head down. Exhale, legs down. Shake that out for a moment. Come to rest. body strengthening, the mind relaxing. A nice long deep breath in. Reawaken your body, little movements. Bend the knees, bend the elbows. And draw the knees up into your chest. Squeeze. Roll over onto your side. Come on back up to a comfortable seated position. Eyes closed for a moment. Return your attention to your breath, your body, and your mind, and register the subtle changes. Hands in prayer position. Feel those good vibrations of the yoga practice as love, as peace, as harmony within you. As you exhale, softly open the eyes. Thank you so much for joining me on this practice. May you be happy, may you be peaceful, may you be filled with love. Namaste.